All right, hey everybody, Victor from Victor G Photography, and today I'm making a video on how I sync all my images in Lightroom when I'm importing multiple cameras. This particularly is when I'm shooting weddings. I use multiple cameras, or I'll have a second shooter using their camera, and most of the time we don't sync up the times on our cameras. And so when I import them into Lightroom, what I do is I get them all on the same timeline. That way everything lines up perfectly for me. That way I'm not hunting and trying to find photos that might be at a different time. So it's really easy. And how you do it, there's two ways to do it. My preferred way is to have everybody take photos at the same time, usually with the camera cover on, and at the exact same time. That way you can sync them up later, or you can try to find a moment in time when everybody, usually the first kiss is when everybody's taking the exact same photo at the same time. But this way, it's guaranteed if you use the two same photos, you can see that the timeline is just a little bit off. So how to do it is you want to go into the metadata portion of the library develop module or the library module. So hit the back key or the backslash key. There it is. And then you can go to metadata. And what that's going to do is it's going to list the cameras that were used that you imported in here. So if you click on the D750 and you're just selected on this, on the right hand side, you can scroll down and you'll see the time, which is 3/7/26 p.m. And then let's see what it is on the D610. Here it is 3:10:45. So what I want to do is I want to sync them all to this time, because this is the main camera that I was using that day. So write this down, 3 p.m., 7 minutes and 26 seconds. And what you do is you select all of the images, make sure that the main one is highlighted right here. Then you go to capture time, hit edit capture time, go right over here. And what was it? 3:06:26. And then you're going to hit change all. And then it's going to sync all the images up just like that. Well, let's just make sure that this is the correct time. Oh, it's 3:07. My bad. So let's change that again. So go back into this, select all of them. Then I'm going to capture time and just change that to 3:07. And this will change all the images so that they're all synced up by capture time. And this is really what you want to do. If you don't, it's just going to be tedious and a little bit of a headache. I just wanted to make this really quick video for you guys to check it out and learn something. So let me know what you think. Okay, talk to you guys later.